11th standard physicsல unit 1 nature of physical world and measurementல இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போற topics definition of unit and types of units. First, definition of unit na என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். An arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement of a quantity which is accepted internationally is called unit of the quantity. An arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement of a quantity which is accepted internationally is called unit of the quantity. அதாவது ஒரு குவான்டிட்டியை மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் தேவைப்படுது. அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இன்டர்நேஷ்னலாக அக்செப்ட் ஆகிருக்கணும். தட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இஸ் கால்டு யூனிட் ஆஃப் த குவான்டிட்டி. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸ் என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். There are two types of units. One is called fundamental unit. The second one is called derived unit. இப்போ ஃபண்டமெண்டல் யூனிட்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா the units in which fundamental quantities are measured are called fundamental units. The units in which the fundamental quantities are measured. அதாவது ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸை மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்கூடிய யூனிட் தான் வந்து நம்ம ஃபண்டமெண்டல் யூனிட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸ்லாம் வந்து எந்த யூனிட்டில் மெஷர் பண்ணுறோமோ அந்த யூனிட்லாம் ஃபண்டமெண்டல் யூனிட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இப்போ we already know that there are 7 fundamental quantities. What are the 7 fundamental quantities? Length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. What are the corresponding units for these fundamental quantities? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா length, the corresponding unit is meter. Mass is measured in kilogram. Time is measured in second. Electric current is measured in ampere. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Amount of substance is measured in mole. Luminous intensity is measured in candela. Now, what are the symbols for these units? So, it is very difficult to write the full form of the unit. So, instead of writing the full form, we can write the symbols. For meter, the symbol is M. For kilogram, symbol is kg. Second, S. Ampere, capital letter A. Kelvin, capital letter K. Mole, MOL, mole. Candela, CD. So these are all the symbols for these units. Length is measured in meter. Mass is measured in kilogram. Time is measured in second. Electric current is measured in ampere. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Amount of substance is measured in mole. Luminous intensity is measured in candela. Next, derived units na enna paapom. The units of all physical quantities except base quantities which can be obtained by a suitable multiplication or division of powers of fundamental units are called derived units. Base quantities தவிர மற்ற physical quantities உடைய units எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம we can get the units by multiplication or division of fundamental units. Either by multiplication or by division of fundamental units we can get the derived units. The units can be derived from the fundamental units. So these units are called derived units. For example, area is equal to length into breadth. The unit of length is meter. Unit of breadth is meter. So meter into meter is meter square. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Unit of displacement is meter. Unit of time is second. So meter by second is equal to meter second to the power minus 1. So this is the unit of velocity and meter square is the unit of area. Now these derived quantities, the units for these derived quantities are derived from the fundamental units. This is how the units of derived quantities are derived from the base units. Now once again, let us recall the two topics, definition of unit and types of units. Definition of unit is an arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement of a quantity which is accepted internationally. Arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement which is accepted internationally is called unit. Types of units, fundamental units and derived units. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. The units of derived quantities are called derived units. Derived units are obtained by multiplication or division of base units. They are called derived units.